Good morning, Green Phonics Group. Wow, it's Wednesday already. These days just fly by, don't they? Okay, so today we have the last trigraph sound on our screen. Can you tell me what it is? I think lots of you know this one. This is the I sound, isn't it? So when we have an I, a G, and an H, or as I like to call them, igh, when we have igh together, they make the I sound. So igh makes the I sound. Okay, right, let's have a look at the words we're going to try and read today. So as usual, we've got 4 words up at the top of the screen, and I would like you to figure out where the sound buttons go and then give them a go at blending them and reading the word. Remember, you need to say the sounds really fast without any gap between them so that you can hear the word. Pause me while you're doing that, come back to me when you're ready, and we'll see how you did. Okay, so how did you do today? Let's put my pen on. So let's have a look at the first word. So we've got a single sound at the front and then we've got our trigraph sound. So just 2 sounds all together in this word. I. Hi. Quite an easy one to blend, that one, isn't it? How about the next one? So we've got a single sound, a trigraph sound, and another single sound at the end. So let's try this one. We've got sight, sight. Well done. Okay, then again, the same pattern here. Single sound, trigraph sound, ooh, and a single sound. Looks like a smiley face rather than a line, doesn't it? Let's try this one. So, might, might. And how about the last one? This is the longest one. So we've got 2 single sounds, our trigraph and another single sound. So if we sound this too slow, we're probably not going to hear this word. So let's try it. No, can't hear it. I need to put these 2 consonant sounds together. So blight. Did you get that one? Well done if you did. Okay, so now we're going to move on to our spellings. So with your pen and paper at the ready, I'll tell you the first word. Write it down, come back to me when you're ready and see if you were correct. So the first word is thigh. Thigh. Have a go at that one. Right, let's take a look and see how you did. So thigh, so we've got a digraph sound, our digraph, and then I, our trigraph sound. So thigh. Did you get that one? Okay, the next one is right. Try right for me. Let's have a look and see how you did. Whoop, there we go. So, right. Now, this kind of right means you got something correct. You got it right, or it could be your right hand. It doesn't mean write on a piece of paper. That's a different spelling. But this one means to be to your right, or you are correct. You've done something right. Okay, let's try the next one. So the next one is bright. Try bright for me. Right, should we take a look at bright? Here we go. Oh, they're not moving today, are they? There we go, bright. 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 And lastly, we have plight. Try plight for me. Right, so let's have a look at plight. Plight. How did you do? Hopefully you did well on those words today. Right, let's take a look at today's task. Okay, so we have got write interesting sentences including the words in these pictures. So you don't have to write about these pictures today, but you have to use the word that these pictures are about. Okay, so let's have a look at the pictures first. So we have got night. So we've got a night skyline there, haven't we? So I need interesting sentences with the word night in them. Then this is a pair of tights. So we need some interesting sentences about some tights. Doesn't have to be this pair of tights, but any pair of tights. Then we have fright. So we need some sentences about having a fright. Then we've got light bulb. And finally, fight. Okay, so when I say interesting sentences, I would like 2 or 3 sentences for each word, and I would like each of those sentences to start in a different way. Because quite often I notice that we use the same words to start our sentence over and over again. And when you notice, when we read books, that doesn't happen very often. They start the sentences in lots of wonderful, weird and wonderful ways to keep us interested. So I don't want something like, the tights were black, the tights were long, the tights were itchy. I don't want all my sentences starting with the tights or the night or the light bulb. I'd like them all to start in different ways, but each sentence does have to have those words in it so that you're practicing your I sound. Have a go, challenge yourself to see how interesting your sentences can be. Can you get those adjectives in there to describe things? And remember, you don't have to describe the picture today, but the word. So you can use that word to talk about something in any way you like. Hope you find that easy. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye for now.